Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace this heater air duct on this Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other great manufactured brands such as Kenmore, Maytag Amana, and more. It's easy. I'll show you how to do it. So let's jump in. The heater air duct is where the air is pulled in and heated by the heating element before entering the dryer drum. The heater duct connects to the dryer drum through the back panel by this oval-shaped grill. If your clothing articles are coming out of the dryer damaged, you should check the heater air duct grill on the inside of your dryer drum. A heater air duct can become damaged and start to rip or tear clothing tumbling in the dryer. If you notice or feel a rough surface on the oval grill on the back side of the drum area, you should replace the heater air duct. If you need to purchase a heater air duct for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this replacement: a 1/4-inch nut driver or socket. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. Before you move your dryer away from the wall, please disconnect the dryer vent hose on the rear of the machine. To access the heater air duct, first take off the terminal cover by removing the 1/4-inch hex head screw at the top of the cover. Once the terminal cover is removed, you can remove the 1/4-inch screws holding on the back panel to the machine. Set the back panel aside. On the right side of the back of the dryer, you will see a long metal rectangle called the heater air duct. The heating element attaches and makes up the first 6 inches of the heater duct. The high limit thermostat is attached to the side of the heating element. The thermal cutoff fuse is located near the top of the heater duct and monitors the air temperature before it enters the dryer drum. First, we will remove the high limit thermal cutoff fuse at the top of the heater duct. You do not need to disconnect the wires from the cutoff fuse before removal. Using a nut driver or socket, remove the 1/4-inch fastener from the fuse. Tilt the bottom thermal cutoff away from the heater duct to remove the mounting tab from the duct. Tuck the fuse off to the side. Moving down the heater duct, we can see the high limit thermostat connected to the side of the heating element. You do not need to disconnect any of the wires from the heating element. There is a 1/4-inch fastener on each side of the heating element assembly. Remove both and carefully set the heating element on the floor. At the top of the heater air duct, there is a small bracket that holds the air duct to the back panel of the dryer. Note the orientation of the bracket before removing it. Remove the 1/4-inch hex head screw from the bracket, and the top of the heater duct should pull away from the back panel. Lift the air duct off the 2 metal tabs the air duct is resting on. Note: in some dryer models, the bracket screw is installed from the interior of the dryer cabinet. To access this, you will need to open up the dryer top panel. To do this, lift out the lint screen, remove the 2 Phillips screws, and use a putty knife to push in the top panel clips. If you need to purchase a new heater duct, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to be sure you get the correct part. Take note on how the mounting bracket is installed on your old air duct and install the bracket on the replacement duct. Slide the bottom of the heater air duct onto the 2 tabs on the back panel and be sure that the notches in both the air duct and the tabs are interlocked. Lift the air duct until the grill slides into the hole in the dryer's back panel. Install the screw into the back panel of the dryer to secure the heater air duct. Slide the heating element assembly into the heater air duct until the 2 screw holes are aligned. Reinstall the 2 fasteners and double check that all the wires are in good shape and firmly attached to the heating element. If any of these wires look burnt or charred, they should be replaced. Check out our video on replacing the heating element wire for more information. Replace the high limit cutoff fuse by rotating it so the small metal tab is pointed upwards. Slide the tab into the mounting hole on the heater air duct and install the 1/4-inch screw. Reattach the back panel with 1/4-inch hex head screws and reinstall the terminal cover with the fastener at the top. Reconnect the exhaust vent hose and plug in your dryer. Well, thanks for watching, and hopefully that your dryer is now well maintained and can last you for years to come. I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.